Hello guys, welcome back to Getting Started with LabVIEW, and in today's example we will actually look into a demo on using the pie chart example in LabVIEW. So in today's example I have actually created a pie chart using only LabVIEW native function, and I will just make a disclaimer here that the pie chart control was actually inspired by our example code here, which is the pie chart using LabVIEW picture control created by Donovan. And as you can see, it actually has the front panel and also the snippet code here. Now the code was actually inspired by this, but I have also modified it to include certain functionalities which we will look into the code later. Now if we launch the VI, as you can see here, it actually has an array of clusters which is actually similar to the one in the example code, where I have the color box and the numeric values. And the reason I do this is because I want the user to actually decide the color of the pie chart. And one other thing is that when I run the program, the user can actually decide how many data values that you can actually choose to represent in your pie chart. So now what I mean by this is that I actually can press the plus button here, and you can see it gives me two values that I can represent. So if I put here 1 and 2 and I press the update button pie chart, so it actually generates a pie chart for me. And if I happen to press the reset, it just simply clears off the array values here. But I can also press the button again and it can actually generate for me the next number of datas. And I have this button here where I can actually increase the number of datas or decrease the number of datas while the program is actually running. So as you can see, this is actually how a user can actually define how much data that you want, and you can also change the color of the data that you want to represent programmatically. So I can actually put in any values here. Let's go 16, and when I press the update pie chart, then you can see the pie chart is actually being updated, and I can even change the color of the pie chart at any time. So this is the slight modification that I've actually done on the original example form code, where I am able to increase and decrease the values of required data and also change the color whenever the user wants to decide to change the color.